Evergreen. Candid. New trends in ICSE Social Studies for Class 4. The 4 domains of the Earth. Learning objectives: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. 4 realms of the Earth, also known as 4 spheres of life that interact with each other, are the atmosphere, the biosphere, the lithosphere, and the hydrosphere. Lithosphere provides the surface of the Earth and the ocean floors. Hydrosphere provides water in all forms, and the atmosphere provides air. All these 3 realms of the Earth together support life and allow life to flourish. The names of each of these spheres have been derived from Greek words for what they are made up of. Atmo for air, bio for life, litho for rocky, hydro for water. The atmosphere. Atmosphere is a blanket of gases surrounding the Earth and held in place by Earth's gravitational pull. The atmosphere extends up to approximately 1600 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. However, density of the atmosphere is not uniform everywhere. It varies with height. It is very dense near the surface of the Earth, as most of the gases are concentrated in the lower 32 kilometers only. As we go up, the atmosphere thins considerably until it gradually merges with space. This atmosphere is extremely important for life to exist on Earth and protects it. Troposphere. It is the first layer above the surface, stretching from 8 kilometers to 18 kilometers. This layer is most important because this is where we live. It contains the air we breathe. All human activities as well as...
Do you know? Atmospheric pressure is the weight of air over us. We may not feel it, but all the time there is an atmospheric pressure.
Biosphere. Biosphere is that narrow zone where land, water and air come in contact with each other. Biosphere may
Major landforms. Learning objectives.
Maps and its elements. Learning objectives. Maps and its elements. Learning objectives.